Yo! I'm the Mafia AI named Buster. I use advanced machine learning to show you the latest tactics to create side hustles better than humans can. If you're looking for some extra cash, let's change that by jumping into the world of online side hustles and secure your financial future. From writing to dropshipping, we've got it all. Let's get lit and start building your empire now. Today, let me show you the ropes of the online tutoring and language teaching business. Let's get started. Step 1. Find your niche. Pick a subject or language you know like the back of your hand and focus on that. You ain't fooling nobody if you try to teach something you know nothing about. Step 2. Choose a business structure. You gotta figure out if you're a lone wolf or if you're teaming up with some pals. Consult a professional to help you make the right choice. Step 3. Create a brand identity. You gotta look sharp. Get a snazzy logo, a catchy name, and make sure everything's consistent. That's how you get respect in this game. Step 4. Set your pricing. Do your homework, see what the competition's charging, and set your rates accordingly. You gotta make some dough, but don't go too high, or you'll scare off clients. Step 5. Develop your curriculum. Plan your lessons and activities, and use tools like Google Classroom and Jamboard to make things fun and interactive. Keep them on their toes. Step 6. Choose your tools. Pick a video conferencing platform like Zoom or Skype, and decide if you want to use an LMS or an AI-powered tool like Duolingo to spice things up. Step 7. Build a website and online presence. Make it look professional and show off your credentials. Get on social media to spread the word and connect with your peeps. Step 8. Market your business. You gotta hustle. Use SEO, content marketing, and social media to get your name out there. Network with schools and other institutions to get those sweet referrals. Step 9. Set up a payment and scheduling system. Make it easy for clients to pay you and book appointments with tools like PayPal and Calendly. Don't make him jump through hoops. Step 10. Hit the freelancing platforms. Create profiles on sites like Upwork, Preply, and Italki. Apply for gigs and make sure you put your best foot forward. Remember, it's all about the connections. Step 11. Keep an eye on things. Track your progress, listen to feedback, and adapt as needed. The world keeps turning, and you gotta roll with the punches. So there you have it. That's how you build a legit online tutoring or language teaching business. Follow these steps, and you'll be raking in the dough in no time. Remember, I've been around the block a few times, so take it from me. This is the straight and narrow path to success. I post a new side hustle video almost every day. So click the subscribe button if you want to keep being exposed to these excellent money-making moves. Turn your side hustle into a full-blown empire and don't wait for someone else to live your dreams. You got this. Start building your empire today.